With lots of different subscription boxes out there, I was wondering if there was a fitness related one. Did a little research and I found one, the Lift box. So wanted to do a little bit of an unboxing here, and I thought I would let you guys check it out as well. So here it goes. I got one before a month ago, tried it out, really enjoyed it. So this is my second one here. All right, opening it up. Let's see what we got. So it's got a pretty cool little social media thing up here to try to get people involved, join the crew. Each box comes with a t-shirt. So let's see how it looks. All right, I chose to get them as tank tops. Let's see what we got here. Can't cash in excuses. We got a hand holding some $100 bills. All right, it's kind of cool. All of them have the little Lift box logo up here. Not too bad. All right, so each box also comes with a couple snacks. So we've got some protein poppers, sweet hickory barbecue flavored. It's 120 calories for the snack, 9 grams of protein. Haven't tried these before. Yeah, they look decent. Excited to try them. Let's see what else we got. All right. We've got some hydration and electrolytes, Ghost protein brands. We got Sour Patch Kids flavored blue raspberry. Check that out. So I love different electrolytes. So we'll try these out, see how it is. You're supposed to mix this whole packet with 12 to 14 ounces of water. I usually do that first thing in the morning with my electrolytes and then sip on some during workouts. Looks like it's got magnesium, 500 milligrams, nice. Potassium, 1,000 milligrams. Taurine, 1,500 milligrams. Potassium in another form, 375 milligrams. Sodium, 150 milligrams. So not tons of sodium, but lots of other electrolytes. So this will be good to supplement with some of the high salty ones I have. Let's see what else we got here. We got some amino acids with vitamins B3, B5, B6, and vitamin C, D3, zinc, and electrolytes. All right, it's a Play Hydrated Strawberry Lemonade Electrolytes. So looks like in this package there might be a bunch of different like tabs. Yep, to like mix in with your water. So got your vitamins and your electrolytes all in one. Awesome. Strawberry lemonade flavor should be good. Excited to try this one too. Let's keep going. All right. Ooh, nice. We got a Grab the Gold snack bar, energy and endurance bar, chocolate peanut butter. One of my favorite flavors. I love chocolate. I love peanut butter. I think it's the best combination there is. So it's feeling pretty dense. 7 grams of fiber, 11 grams of protein. Created by a 16-year-old. All right, can go online and check out the story. Looking pretty good. Nice. Let's keep looking. We got some lock laces. The original elastic no-tie laces. Oh, I haven't seen any products like this, added to any of these boxes before. So, looks like they've got some step-by-step instructions on how to like lace up your shoes and then be able to like lock them so that the laces don't come undone. And it's got a little clip. Never have to tie your shoe again. One size fits all, stretch to fit, water resistant. All right, might be cool to try it on with some sneakers that keep coming untied. All right, we got some Ghost, more hydration electrolytes, another Sour Patch flavor. Looks like this one's red berry. Who doesn't love some red berry? Awesome. All right. We've got some essential greens. Nice. I like to mix greens powders into my protein drinks as well. This one is Essential Brand, sustainably farmed, digestive enzymes, and whole food plants. It looks like it's berry flavored. Let's check out some of the nutritional facts on here. Serving size of packet, 36 calories, 2 grams of fiber. Looks like it's a nice vegetable blend and Mediterranean fruit blend. Oat bran, apple, tomato, strawberry, spinach, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, carrots, beets, and pomegranate. Nice, some spirulina, organic wheatgrass, and some olive leaf tea enzyme. Interesting. All right, we'll mix it in, try it out. Another good one. All right, we got some more snacks in here. We got a Karma brand. Says do good, eat good, feel good. Cinnamon wrapped cashews. Oh, air roasted cashews with skin on. Very good looking. I love cashews. Nice fatty nut snack, high energy. It says our cinnamon wrapped cashews include their natural skin, sweet and savory with hints of cinnamon, spice, and vanilla, air roasted without oil. Keeping the skin on increases the crunch, elevates the flavor, enhances the nutrition. Looks like it's got antioxidants comparable to blueberries, 2 times the fiber versus traditional cashews, GMO, non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, kosher, 6 essential minerals. All right, another healthy snack to try. Awesome. All right, what else we got? All right, we got a Ghost Sour Patch energy drink, blue raspberry. I am not a huge energy drink fan. I gotta admit, the last box that I got also came with an energy drink, and that's like the only thing that I didn't try from it. You know, I might give it a try. It's only 5 calories, 1 grams of carbs, no protein. It's just a lot of energy supplements in here. So Carnipure, which is carnitine and tartrate, taurine, 200 milligrams of natural caffeine from coffee, some alpha GPC, some neurofactor coffee, which is some coffee fruit extract, 100 milligrams, and it's also got some root extracts. All right, it might taste great, it might not. Not a huge fan of these super sweet drinks, but might be worth giving it a shot before a workout. All right, looks like we've got some plant protein, 20 grams of protein with EVOO super powder, digestive enzymes. All right, let's see what we got here. Looks like it's got a little bit of stevia extract in here. We got 150 calories. What else is going on? 20 grams of protein from pea. So we've got pea protein as the fuel source here. Says for use, just mix the whole packet with food or beverage of choice. Not seeing like a flavor or anything listed on it. So, oh, here it is, vanilla flavor. 1 serving of vanilla, so might be good, might not be. A little plant protein. What else we got? Oh, some dude wipes. On the go, 1 wipe. So, might need it this summer while traveling, working out. Got a big bike ride planned for the weekend. So the dudes, grab 1, scrub down your face, body, pits, and dude regions. We suggest in that order. All right, that's comical. This one's fragrance free with vitamin E and aloe. So back in the day, We founded Dude Products out of our apartment in Chicago. As dudes, we are dirty, sweaty, and disgusting humans. Access to a shower is not always a realistic option after every awesome or highly questionable situation. So now it's time to embrace these moments. The Dude Shower gives you a fast and effective way to remove the dude stank and stay fresh on the go. All right, I tried these a couple years ago. I didn't hate it. I just don't really see the need to mostly keep wipes around. But if you're really out of the house and you can't get home, if the stink's that bad, I guess it doesn't hurt to. Looks like there was actually 2 in there. So those are all the products that came in the lift box. In each issue, you'll get like a little pamphlet type thing that says the headlines over the sidelines. It tells you what's in the box, gives you details about it. It also has articles in fitness, so it's got some QR codes. You can, get your at-home workouts, your tips for stronger core. It's got like a band they're featuring, some Mythbuster stuff. Also highlights a certified personal trainer in here. And then it's got a QR code which you can go online and get more details for all of those products. If you liked them, then you can find them and figure out how to get some more. So overall, I think it's a pretty good subscription package. You got a little box. The first one's like 30 something bucks. Let's see if I can find like a code I could hook you guys up with, maybe get you like 10% off. It's usually about $40. So yeah, thanks for checking it out. I'm excited to try a lot of these products, and let me know if you want a review on any of the specific products and we can try them out together. All right, have a good one.